Donna and I had taken a trip to Colorado Springs, and we went to this place called the Mountain. And on the mountain was several other of our colleagues, and it was just a beautiful place. And throughout the course of the weekend, and these were long hours, we'd start at 8 in the morning and we wouldn't finish until 11 at night. But of just, again, taking in the atmosphere, I ended up writing my mission statement.
And when he says it, you just know that that's exactly what he means. That is his mission. And I remember he didn't really struggle even coming up with it.
Gosh, that was 15 years ago probably. And it just kind of stuck up here. I never really wrote it down or anything. And my mission statement goes like this. God led me to this profession. Like a sword, I've been molded and shaped to do His work. These hands are healing hands, and through these hands, I must change the world. People will come from all over the world to see me. They won't exactly know why, but like a magnet, I will attract them and give them the gift of better health. The power that made the body heals the body from above down, inside out. It can happen no other way.
Yeah, it's just every time he says it, yep, that's it. There's no question. Nobody that knows him or has been a patient can question it, saying, no, that's exactly how I see your mission.
Well, and that, what I'd like to say too about people that come here is this is very much a healing place. When there's not a pandemic, we often hug, we high five. There's so much that comes out when you're working with people. Some of my patients have been with us for the whole 24 years, and they're regular people that come every 1 to 2 weeks, not because they're hurting, but because they want me to check their spines for subluxation, remove the interferences that they may have so that their bodies can be healthier from within. And that's a very humble blessing to have individuals that have been with you that length of time. And then you see their families, and now we're seeing third generations, and it's amazing.
You know, I guess one of the biggest goals in our office is really to have you just live your most inspired life.
Yeah. We're on this earth a short time. Let's make it a good one.